Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of My Day. I've been gone for a long time, almost 6 months or less. I'm so sorry for that, but we are back now. I have been trying to compile different files to drop here, free PSD files for you guys so you can use for your project. So in this series, we'll be having real estate flyers, social media flyers, party flyers, church flyers. We're having different, not just this party alone. We'll be having different flyers because it's been 6 months since I posted my last video. That's almost a year, and we've lost so much time. So we need to get it back. So I'm so sorry. We are fully back now. So let's start with this flyer. So here's what we'll start first. So this is a normal church flyer. Normal social media flyer. It's just a very simple flyer that I created. But this is an AI generated image. It's an AI generated image. So I would try and explain this to you, to show you how I got these images and the likes. I would explain to you. So let's start. So you will first of all create a new page, which is 2000 by 2000, like I've always been using as your canvas. You come to your file, to your new, create 2000 by 2000. You can use any resolution, you can use 8-bit, anyone you want to use. That's what I use there. So let's go to this breakdown of this. So here's what I did. I downloaded this background on Pinterest, then I placed it here in my canvas. And what I did again, I created like a shadow. Okay, let's first of all bring in the image. So this is the guy's image. So let's bring in the guy's image. Sorry, I'm trying to get something. Okay, all right. Let's bring in the guy's image here. So you can do this in different ways. Here's what I did here. This is an AI generated image that I got online. So what you can do is you create new, bring this layer behind the guy's image. On your keyboard, press B on your keyboard, change the color to probably your red, your kind of reddish red. Change it, then expand using your bracket. Expand your brush size. You can gently tap on. Sorry, this is too much. Ctrl Z. You can reduce your brush. You can tap once. You can even Ctrl T to expand the brush. You can play around it. It's having different ideas, different thoughts. You can even change the blend mode. You can change the blend mode to near.add. You can play around it with it. You can put it to normal. It is still the same. So that's how I got that part. Then for this part here, if you watch my videos, you see how I got this part. You create a new layer here. Come to your gradient tool here. Make sure you set your tool back to black, to the default. Then you gently brush like this. You get this. Then you can reduce the opacity a bit. Reduce the opacity if you want. Like I said, you can decide to develop on this and work around it. So here's what I always do. I always create a layer mask here. Big press brush. Try and clean up so it will cover my model's face. Try and clean up on it. It is still the same thing. So here's what I'll do. Here's what I did here again. This is a very simple and straightforward design. Though I'm dropping the PSD for you guys to use. You can use it. So this is a text. Ctrl V to paste here. This is a normal text. Now this font, the font I used here was Poppins Black, and I set it to the center alignment to get this. Then you can duplicate this by pressing Ctrl J on your keyboard. Then convert the lower text to a smart object. Gaussian blur. Convert smart object. Then it will automatically turn this to to a blood image, that to make it slightly glow a bit, so you can decide to increase it, to around 9.6 or something. Then what I did next again was very simple, was to create a new layer, then solid color, then solid color here, change to red, then change the blend mode to color, then probably reduce my opacity to around, let's say 13 or 10. Then this, press my B on my keyboard for brush, B on my keyboard for brush, to gently brush off the face, so it will not really affect the face much, because the idea was just for it to affect this part and just make it a little bit reddish, but not too reddish. So you can decide to play around it any way you want. You can decide to add this. I downloaded this icon online. You can get different ones online, and then this is my look, this is my new brand, so you can do different styles. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, on YouTube, and see my other videos. And trust me, I always drop free PSD every time. Thank you very much.